life, live, infest, invest. Let's learn how to pronounce the F and V consonants in American English. To pronounce the F and V consonants, the bottom of the upper front teeth touch the back of the lower lip. The upper lip lifts up slightly to expose the front teeth. When making the V consonant, you should feel vibration in two places, in the throat and at the point where the articulators touch, which is where the upper teeth touch the back of the lower lip. This is the vibration of the air as it exits the mouth. The F consonant does not have vibration because it is a voiceless sound, so the vocal cords are turned off as you say it.